Morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So, how many of you are ready with the activity?
Ma'am,
Janvi, Mayasa, Sri Rupta, Hail. Good, good. Yes. So let's
ma'am,
start
excuse
with.
me, ma'am, which activity?
Huh?
Ma'am, I was absent.
I am sorry, I did not send the activity in the class. It was sent in the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, I didn't understand anything.
You didn't
Ma'am,
understand. Okay.
ma'am,
Yes. Okay, let's
ma'am,
listen to
that
those. 1 minute, 1 minute.
That voice record,
Yes.
ma'am, it's very hard to listen.
It's very
yes,
hard to
ma'am.
listen. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
okay, okay,
And
fine.
I wrote. Ma'am, I'm Janvi.
Yes.
Little bit.
Can all of you please mute your audio?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Janvi,
I did not write full.
you did not write full. It's okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I can't on my video.
I can't switch on my video. It's okay. So
Ma'am,
let's start with Mayasa.
I write full. Yes, ma'am.
I wrote full.
1 minute, ma'am. Full.
The activity was not only to write. You have to also tell me the speech with the proper accent. So let's see. How many times did you listen to Achyut?
Ma'am, almost 10 times.
Almost 10 times, and you didn't even get one word.
Ma'am, I get some words.
You got a few words. Okay.
Ma'am, I only write half of that.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes. All the others to kindly mute your audios. Let's listen to Mayasa. Start.
Once last year, I got an armor and a sword. I found a dog and played with it. I built a house and made a garden. Night came and monsters were everywhere. And there was an evil dog that I started killing. Just as I was about to destroy him, time to line up. Hello, my name is Simon Link, and I'm talking about why kids should have an hour-long recess. Did you know that genes change when they get playtime? Out of 1,200 gene scientists have studied that one-third of them have changed when they had a half-hour playtime. Since the 1800s, research shows that you learn better and faster when you're having playtime. Work that has breaks is more effective than work with long stretches. Some colleagues visited a school that had no recess. They asked them to have recess twice a week so they could watch them and see what they were like. They were more focused in fidgety on days when they had recess. Stress impacts on learning and health. For many children, especially those considered hyperactive, recess is an opportunity to expend energy in a healthy, suitable manner. Recess develops social skills. Recess may be the only time of the day when children have an opportunity to experience social action and real communication. The outside light triggers the synthesis of vitamin D, which many studies have shown increases academic learning. The outdoors is the best place for children to learn calories, practice emerging
To
physical
burn calories.
calories, practice emerging physical skills, and experience the pure joy of movement. According to Ray Pika, who is a children's physical activity specialist, research may be research even shows that you learn. Research even shows that when having physical activity at school, you usually have more physical activity at home, and children who don't have the opportunity to be physically active during the school day don't usually compensate during the after school hours. Running around helps the brains. Thanks to advances in brain research, we know that most of the brain is activated during physical activity, much more so than being a couch potato. Now stand up and do 10 jumping jacks when I say go. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now sit down. I imagine a world where every child gets lots of playtime. I hope that if you have children, you will make sure that those children gets lots of playtime. Thank you.
Wonderful. Excellent, Mayasa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, somebody else had raised their hand. Sri Rugda.
Am I always written half?
It's okay. You can try.
Once last year I got an owner on the server. I found a dog and played with him. I built a house and made a garden. Night came and monsters were everywhere. There was an evil word that I started killing. Just was I was about to show him. Time to line up. Hello, my name is
That's all?
well, I
Okay.
didn't get some words.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, Janvi.
Ma'am,
Trying is more important.
I did not write that my name is Simon.
It's okay. You can read till there.
Okay, ma'am. One class, all minus. I found the dog and played with him. I built the house and made a garden. Night came, Marses were everywhere. Did you know that the genes change when I get playtime? Around 1,200 gene scientists studied one third of change when they had our playtime. Since 1800, we should show that better when playtime break more festives work with long stretches. Sometimes could they no recess. They ask them to recess. Why so it's so that they can watch us and see with they like they were more focused. Ma'am,
Yes. Good. Yes, you win?
I also written half.
Okay.
Once last year I got armor and sword. I found a dog and played with him. I built a house and make a garden. Night came, monsters were everywhere. There was an evil that I started killing just I was destroy him. Time to line up. Hello, my name is Simon Link. I'm talking about why kids have been how long reasons. Did you know that genes change when they when they get playtime? I know 1,200 genes that science have studied. One third of them change when they had an half hour playtime. Since the 1800 research shows that you learn better in faster having playtime. That has breaks perspective than walk with long stretches. Some colleagues visited school with no reasons. They asked them to have reasons. Why is the weeks so they could watch them and see that what they like. They were more focused on the less rigidity. On a days when they had the recent stretching backs when they're learning for many children, especially conducted the hyperactivity researchers an opportunity to spend energy in a healthy, suitable manner. Researchers develop the social skills research maybe we only time of the day opportunity to experience socialization and recommunication. The outside the light triggers the synaptics of vitamin T.
Synthesis.
Synthesis of vitamin T.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I joined up only.
Only
Me too. I didn't.
Yes. Okay. Good. Good, Ivan. Good for trying. Good attempt. The others have not tried, or you tried and you didn't get it. Okay. Prarthana, Pranav. Yes, Prarthana.
Once last year, I got an armor and a sword. I found a dog and played with him. I built a house and made a garden. Night came and monsters were everywhere. There was an evil lure that I started killing, just as I am about to destroy him. Time to line up. Hello, my name is Simon Ling, and I am talking about why kids do have an hour-long recess. Did you know genes change when they have playtime? Out of 1,000, 200 genes and scientists.
That's all?
Yes.
Okay. Sribhadra?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Once last year, I got Tom and sword. I found a dog and played with him. I built a house and made a garden.
Where is the accent? Okay, continue.
Night came, monsters were everywhere. Immediately, boom, there I started healing. Just I was showing a bag. Time will I'm up.
Okay. So I wanted you to repeat it with the accent. No problem. Anyway, good that you tried. For the others who have not yet tried, please try. It's not as hard as you think. If you listen to it about repeatedly a couple of times, you will get the words. Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am,
Once
I will
last year, I got armor and a sword. I found a dog and played with him. I built a house and make a garden. Night came and monsters were everywhere, and there was an evil roar that I started killing. Just I was about to destroy him. Time to line up. My name is Simon Lee, and I am talking about why kids should have an hour-long recess. Did you know genes change will get playtime? Out of 1,200 genes and scientists.
Yes, good. Okay, now tell me how many of you listened to the audio?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I listened to the audio, but I write only few.
That's okay. So, yes. And how many of you listened but could not write? Ameya, Vedika, Niran, Joanne, Achut, Srenga. Okay, not bad. At least you did make an attempt. Yes.
I didn't
So,
understand the part.
you didn't understand.
Ma'am, me too.
Okay.
I
Okay,
didn't
did you
understand.
at least understand what the speech was about?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the speech about? Mayasa, let the others answer. What was the speech about?
About
Achut,
the thing.
Achut, let me ask Achut.
Ma'am,
Achut, what was
I didn't understand.
you didn't
Ma'am, but
understand?
that some words I understand.
Okay. Yes, Arush, what was the speech about?
Recess.
Yes. The boy is talking about why recess. You know what recess is?
Ma'am.
Recess is a break time.
ma'am.
It's a break time.
I know.
Okay, it's our play time. So he is talking about why recess is important. He's telling us why every school must have an hour long recess. Okay, so now listen to it, you might get a few words more. If you listen to it again, you might get a few words more. So today evening, just listen to it once again.
Ma'am, I have written full.
I have written. There
I
is
have
no
written.
word called writed. Writed is a wrong word.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
It's
Now I am
full.
going to share another activity with you. Okay, which is a little interesting activity. And have you heard? I have some special guests in my class. Hazel, Ayan, and Aris. Why are the videos switched off? Hmm? Why are the videos switched off? Hazel, Aris, Ayan.
Ma'am, my video is already on.
Now it is on.
My video was on. It's
It
full.
was switched off.
Network issue.
Advaita, I know, you told me. What about Aris? Okay, so have you heard about tongue twisters?
Yes,
Yes? You
ma'am.
have heard about tongue twisters. Okay, so
Ma'am,
tongue
yes,
twisters
yes, ma'am.
are actually is a good activity to improve your pronunciation and accent.
Ma'am, in the happy hour, we had a game of
Okay, good. So here I have some popular English tongue twisters. Okay, see how many of them you can try. Hmm? And
And
let's
the
see.
second one I know. One.
Let's see who can try the maximum number of tongue twisters. Yes, Arush, you can start.
Peter Piper bought a pick of
Ah, 1 minute. Yes.
Peter Piper picked a pick of pickled peppers. A pick of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked the pick of pickled peppers, why? Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Okay, can you go a little faster now?
Peter
Uh,
Piper.
1 minute. I request these students who are raising their hands to please not do it because it's coming on the screen and he cannot see the screen. So kindly just keep your hands off the screen. Yes, Arush.
Peter Piper bought a peck of pick.
It's not bought. It's Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Peter Piper picked the peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked the Peter Piper picked the peck of pickled peppers. Where is the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Okay, can you try the next one?
Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better. So
So it was Betty Butter.
to us,
It's
Betty
better Betty butter bought a bit of better butter.
butter, uh, Betty bought a bit of better butter.
Okay. Do you want to try the third one?
How much would a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck he would as much as wood
Hmm.
and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Okay, next one.
Seashell
She.
she sells seashells by the seashore.
Okay. Next one.
How can a cram in a clean cream
Cream
can?
can. Okay, next one. Next one is very simple.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Okay, next one.
I saw Susie sitting. I saw Susie sitting in a
Shoe shine shop.
fine shop.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Good, Arush. Good try. Achut.
Yes. Ma'am, from the ninth one,
No, from the beginning.
Peter Piper picked a pick of
Peck.
eh?
Peck.
peck of pickled
Pickled peppers.
pickled peppers. A
Hmm.
peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked
Peter Piper.
Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where
Where's the peck of
is
pickled
the peck
peppers?
of pickled peppers? Peter picked.
Peter Piper picked.
Peter Piper picked.
Okay, next.
But deep water bought some butter,
Hmm.
but she had the
She
butter.
said. But she said.
The butter is bitter.
But she said the butter's bitter.
But she said the butter is bitter.
Hmm.
If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter.
Hmm.
But a bite of
But
butter,
a bit of better butter.
will make my batter better.
Hmm.
So,
So it was better. Betty bought
Betty Butter bought a hit of
a bit
bit of
better butter.
better butter.
Can you try the third one?
How much would a wood
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
how much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood?
Could chuck wood. Yes.
Chuck wood.
Hmm.
He would chuck he would as much as he could
Hmm.
and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck if
As a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck
Could
wood.
chuck wood. Okay.
Seashell on the seashore.
Hmm.
That's what's very. How can a calm
How
cram?
can a clam cram in a clean
How
clean
can a-
can?
How can a
Clam.
cram in a clean cream can?
Okay.
I scream you.
1 minute. 1 minute. Where is that noise coming from? Aditri, mute.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Okay.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Hmm.
Susie works.
Not Sushi. Susie.
Susie works in a shoe shine shop.
Shoe shine shop.
Where he shines.
Where she shines,
Where
she sits.
shines, she sits, and where she sits, she shines.
Okay.
Fuzzy Wuzzy.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear.
Fuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't Fuzzy.
Wasn't fuzzy, was he?
Wasn't Fuzzy. Wuzzy.
Okay.
Can
Next.
you can a can as a canner can a can.
A can.
I
Okay.
have got a date at 7:45. I will see you at the gate, so don't be late. You know New York, you need New York. You know you need
Okay,
need.
but I want all this with the accent. And it has to be faster. 1 minute. It has to be faster. Okay?
Ma'am, can I saw a kitchen eating chicken in the kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay. Mute the audios.
I thought of thinking of thanking you.
Okay. Yes. Enough. Hail.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter. If I put in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better. So it was
Better.
better Betty butter Betty butter, but a bit of better butter.
Okay.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Hmm.
He would chuck he would as much as he could and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Hmm.
She sells seashells by the seashore. How can a clam in a clean cream can?
Hmm.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Susie works in a shoe shine shop. When she shines, she sits. And where she sits, she shines. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy. Was he? Can a can as a canner, can a can. I have got a date at 7:15.
Quarter
I'll
to
see
8.
you at the I've got a date at 7:45. I'll see you at the gate, so don't be late.
Hmm.
You know New York, you need New York. You know you need New York.
Yes.
Thank
Good.
you.
Yes, Niharika.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, each of you can try one, so I can give chance to more now.
Okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled
Peter
peppers.
Piper picked.
Peter Piper picked.
Piper. Peter Piper.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A
Hmm.
peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Piper picked. Okay. Adira?
Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter bitter. If I put it in my batter, I will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better. So it was better. Betty bought a bit of bitter butter.
Better butter. Strenga?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
how much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck as much as he could and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Yes. Stringa?
She sells by the seashore.
Okay, next one.
How can I clam cream in a clean cream can?
How can a clan cram in a clean cream can?
How can a clam cream can?
How can a clam cram
How can a clam cram
in a clean cream can?
in a clean cream can?
Okay. You'll go cling, cling, clong finally.
How
Yes,
can I
Catherine?
on you stream your screen for ice cream?
That's too easy, Catherine. Go for another one.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Okay. Evelyn?
Shana works in a
Who?
shoe shine.
Susie.
Susie works in a shoe shine shop
Yeah.
where she shines, she sits, and where she sits, she shines.
Okay. Atar?
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he?
Was he? Okay. Adidev MB.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Can you can I can as a scanner? Can you can I can?
Hmm? Can you can a can as a canner can a can? Yuvan?
Ma'am, 11th one.
11th one. Okay.
Ma'am, wait a minute. Okay, ma'am. I have got a date at 7:45. I will
Quarter
see
to
you
8.
at the 7:45. I will see you at the gate, so don't be late.
So don't be late. Arjun? Can't hear you, Arjun.
You know New York, ma'am.
Hmm.
You know New York. You need New York. You need and Q New York.
Unique. You know you need
Unique.
unique New York. Yes, Joanne?
You need New York.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Is that
Okay.
dog choose shoes? Was shoes does he choose?
Whose shoes does he choose? Okay, Aditri? Aditri?
Ma'am, which?
Anyone?
Ma'am, 11th one?
Yes?
I have got a date at
Hmm.
7:45. I'll
Hmm.
see you at the gate, so don't be late.
Okay, Niran?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
12th question.
12th one, okay?
You know New York. You need New York. You know you need New York.
Okay, Vaishnav? Vaishnav?
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, say first one.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can see the first one.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I can see it.
Still? No?
Ma'am, I can read second one.
Okay.
No, ma'am, I can read second one.
I think you have to adjust it in your
one.
screen because I have brought it pretty down.
Okay, ma'am.
Can the others see the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think Vaishnav, something wrong with your screen.
Yes, ma'am, I also got.
Yes.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Hmm.
A picked peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Okay. Yes, so I have to wind up now as it's time for the next class. Is Azad absent? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hazel Joby is present, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi, Joanne, Joeric, Mayasa, Niharika, Niran, Pranav, Prarthana, Sri Bhadra, Sri Rupta, Stringa, Sweden is absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnav, Vedika, Yuvan. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
So,
Anne-Marie is present. Thank
who?
you, ma'am.
Yes, I know Anne Maria is
Thank
present.
you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye.